Welcome back to my tech notes. If you have been experimenting with generative AI video over the last year, you know the struggle. We have all been jumping between confusing servers, managing complex local workflows, and paying for 5 different subscriptions just to get a usable 3-second clip. The models are powerful, but the process has been a massive headache. But the workflow is officially changing today. In this tutorial, we are taking a deep dive into VisualGPT, a centralized creative platform that brings the best generative models under one roof. We are going to build a high tension, dramatic, cinematic sequence for absolute scratch. We will start by engineering a precise text prompt for our base image and then bring it to life with the incredible Seedance 2.0 engine. So let's start. Before we generate our video, so as you can see in this VisualGPT, it comes with lots of new trending models like Seedance 2.0, Nano Banana, Sea Dream. Okay, I will show you more. It has Seedance, Sea Dream, Nano Banana, GPT Image 1.5, Flux, Quen Image, Midjourney, Blink 3.0. So all of the major video making or image making platform models are available here. So this is a one-stop workspace where you can go create your image and animate it as per your need. So before we generate our video, let's talk about the platform we are using. So this is, once again, this is VisualGPT. Think of it as your AI creative dashboard. The biggest problem with AI right now is fragmentation. You have one site for images, one site for video making, one site for upscaling, and one site for voice over, right? But Visual GPT brings the world's best models. As you can see here, Seedance, Nano Banana, GPT 1.5, Flux, Gwen, everything into one single workspace. You don't have to go anywhere else. You can just be on this platform and create as much videos or images as you want. So whether you are a content creator needing B-roll, a digital artist, or a filmmaker, it's has everything. You can remove backgrounds. You can upscale your images. Right. You can edit your images. You can create photo or cartoon. You can create photo from a scratch. You can generate your logos and whatnot. Most important, all these things are very much important for us today. So now let's start seeing creating a demo of video generation on this. But before that, we'll create first video image, AI image by ourselves. Okay, so this in any good AI video workflow, starting with the perfect base image, right? So the better you starting image is, the better Seedance 2.0 will animate it. Okay, so we are going to create a image about a man walking up from a terrifying nightmare. Here is the prompt that I have created using Gemini. We'll copy it, paste it here. So how much it will generate it in 4 credit points. Okay, this is a style what kind of style you want. Okay, I want this 3D style. Let's see. So from here, as you can see, you can increase the number of images that you want to generate. Okay, I have selected only one. I'll be using that image only for creating a video. Okay, so you can generate more than one images also, and after that you can shortlist them and use the perfect one that you want. Okay, so this is not what I want. This is showing an animated image. Okay, let's create one from photo. Some human looking. Okay, so let's use this one only. So notice in this comment, I have sent that if you see this prompt, mention that man in his late 20s, drenched in sweat, right? So you can see this. Mhm. So we can see sweat on him, right? Look at the details here. The sweat on this man, the fear in his eyes. This is a frame. But before we animate it, we need to prep it further. So before we hit generate on our Seedance video, we need to inspect our image. So this is amazing, but it occasionally throws a looking a little bit weird with so many trees behind it, right? And so many long roots. Look at this background. So this is looking a little bit strange, okay? So it doesn't make much sense. So let's use another tool of image. Okay, so here on this image only, I have this option to edit it. So I will use erase object. So in this erase object, if I want to remove this, make this way a little bit cleaner. Now apply. So normally we have to download the image and then upload it from our system for Photoshop. But on Visual GPT, we can directly do it on the image on, right? So I just brush out few things. Now let's see. Okay, so it has, this was the original image, and after I brush out, it blurred them little bit, right? So right now it's looking much better, and his way of running is looking much cleaner. We can see that he's running on a road, right? We can erase it little bit more if we want. Has to be like this. Let's wait for it to get updated. It's done. So here you can see this was the original image, and then I brushed out few things. So here it become hazy. Was looking much better than before, right? Earlier it was looking very um animated kind of thing, right? But now it's looking that he's running on the road and there's some mist behind it. Now let's upscale this image little bit further, okay, to make it more and good. We have to give it more pixels and better it will be, right? So right inside Visual GPT, I'm going to run this clean image through the AI upscaler. With one click, we can take this from a standard image to a crisp 4K masterpiece. So let's see. AI enhancer. Let's make it force 4K image by selecting or increasing its resolution. Right. See, it has become much better now. So now it is ready for Seedance. So now let's create and bring it to life by using Seedance 2.0, right? And why Seedance and not any other model? Because Seedance 2.0 is specifically engineered for human movement and cinematic transformations. It understands physical weight and emotional consistency, how to run, how to make a movement to an object. Okay. So I just selected that image. This was the latest image that we have updated. And let's try Seedance 2.0 on this. Giving it a prompt. We can, in Seedance, there are multiple options. We can add frames, like first frame and frame, right? Here's the window where we can give prompt to it. Okay, we can enable sound, aspect ratio, because these many aspect ratios are there. For now, we are selecting auto ratio. Duration, you can choose uh, how much you want. If your credit points will be based on that duration only. Okay, so right now I will take only 5-second video. Okay, and here is the quality of video, 480 pixel or 720 pixel, whatever you want. Here I will leave it as 480 pixel only. So let's now generate it. So finally, the wait is over, and we can see that our AI influencer AI image has turned into a lively moving image video in Seedance 2.0. So you can see the emotions, expressions, and drama in this video as per our prompt. So it's amazing. You can change this prompt as per your requirement as much as you want. So that's how we can generate Series 2.0 video using images that we have created right here on Visual GPT. We can edit this image furthermore. Okay. You can remove its background by using BG remove here. But I think there is some issue in this BG remove. Yes, it's not working fine. So let's try to find out some other way to edit this image further. Because this Visual GPT tool is one-stop shop for many frameworks. You can not only create images, you can create videos also, and you can work on those images furthermore. So we are using AI edit now. So in this, I will try to give it a prompt that update this image to remove its background. And click on submit. So as soon as you submit this prompt, it will start working on this image, and in some time it will give you updated image with no background or very less background, as we have mentioned in our prompt. Okay, so here you can see that image with very less background has been generated. As we have added this image, you can also use another utility like AI image background remover, background changer, to make it completely white or black as per your need. So now, as we have done this, we can create a very good thumbnail out of this. So I have chosen AI background changer. In this, I'm giving it a prompt that change the background with Visual GPT written in the background, and then keep this image in the front so that I can have a very good thumbnail for this video. Click on submit. So in no time, we'll get an updated image as per this prompt. So if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button. And also go to that link in the description box. So here you can see it has created a very good and amazing thumbnail for us. Here this person, AI influencer, is in the front. Okay. And we have changed the background with Visual GPT written in the background. Okay. We can download it on our system and keep it for further use. So this is the dashboard of Visual GPT that comes with so many frameworks on Visual GPT like Seedance 2.0, Nano, Banana, AI post generation, AI dress changer. So you can see that tools like Visual GPT are making it easier than ever to just jump in and start creating. I have put a link down in the description box so you can go and play around with it yourself. Thank you.